Hello and welcome to a brand new show. This is FC Cymru from the boys at Eat, Sleep, Fudgy, Repeat. And if you haven't seen Eat, Sleep, Fudgy, Repeat, it's us. He's Lawrence, I'm Alex, and we're bringing you this brand new show called FC Cymru, which is all about Welsh football.
We're going to go from Bala to Bayor, from the very grassroots to the very tip of Welsh football, covering it all just for you lucky people.
And we're starting right here in the valleys. Behind us is Ynyshir Albion versus Pen-y-Darren BGC. This is South Wales Alliance action. We've got plenty coming up in the programme as well.
Yeah, we have. We're going to be hearing all about Tenby AFC. We're going to be talking about Aaron Ramsey. And we're also going to be with Spirit of 58 over in Merthyr as they launch a new top, which I might have purchased earlier.
Nice. Modelling it beautifully. Let's get on with it. Let's get to match action then, and let's find out about Ynyshir Albion. Ryan Oliver, aka Beaky. Beaky is an inherited nickname then.
Yeah, off the parents, off my father.
So we're about 7 minutes in. You've had a shot just whistle wide. All right so far?
Yeah, cagey from both teams at the beginning, yeah, but interesting, I think.
So this is top of the table stuff then, isn't it? You're a bit ahead of Penydarren. They've got games in hand.
Yeah. Penydarren got the games in hand. We're top at the moment, doing well this season. Just come up last year, and at the end of the day, Penydarren and the benchmark this season, the first time we played them. So see where we're at now.
Their cup runs inspired you to a certain extent. You're going to look at the cups next year.
Yeah, we've seen Penydarren into the Welsh Cup this year, and everyone knows the run they've been on. It's absolutely amazing. And for the first time next year, as a club, I think we're going to enter the Welsh Cup ourselves. First time we've entered it on the back of watching Penydarren, what they've achieved. So it's great.
Fantastic. Tell us about Ynyshir Albion then. What sort of club are you?
We formed in 1992, and I've been involved for 20 years. I'd say now, played for a good 15 of them. I've been involved for 20 years on and off. I've had a season off here and there, but always seem to come back. So I've been back there about 3 seasons now, and it seems to be going well. We've had 2 promotions. Lost in the cup final last year, top of the league this year, and the manager Craig Wells has been superb the last few years. I've got to be honest.
How's the transition when you're going from that side of the touchline to this side then? You still, I mean, watching you there's no doubt you're trying to kick every ball with it.
Yeah, absolutely horrible. I hate it. I've got to be honest, it's not nice at all. Not a nice place to be. I'd rather be honest, it's easier.
So obviously promotion, that's what you're chasing this season. Then what's the dream? What are you after here?
Oh, obviously the dream is for a club our size and our stature is Welsh League football. That's our dream. That would be the Premier League for us, Welsh League football. For a club our size, no money, nothing, just live week to week. And with the players we got, all local, doing a great job.
To you, it's going to be a stupid question, but why do you do this? We're turning out on a cold afternoon.
Why do you do it? Born and bred in Ynyshir. I've played for Ynyshir since the age of 6. It's just in your blood, isn't it? It's in your blood, your local village. If we don't do it, nobody's going to do it, is it?
Well, right, mate. Great to talk to you. Enjoy the rest of the game.
Cheers, buddy. Thanks.
And we'll see him. Yeah, we'll see you later on. So we're up in the valleys here then. Also, we've been out west as well. We're finding out about another club, Tenby AFC. Lawrence and I took a trip out there, and it didn't get off to the greatest of starts.
Not one single ball.
No, not one. Not one.
In all of Tenby. Like every bit of Tenby.
I'm telling you,
every last bit of Tenby.
I have walked everywhere. You cannot buy a ball in Tenby.
What can you buy?
Well, I can get you a lovely chintzy painted wooden sign for your kitchen that says my unicorn made me do it. Or I can get you some lovely hiking boots. But I can't get you a ball.
How did Joe Allen learn to play football if there are no balls in Tenby?
I'll show you how.
Tell me why you love football.
I don't know, I just love being on the pitch and everything.
I love it because when I'm sad and I play football, it makes me very happy.
What's Tenby AFC like then as a club?
It's very friendly, you've got lots of people who like to have a joke. It's just really good overall.
Is it something you look forward to every week?
Yeah.
How long have you known Angie then?
Since I've been playing football, really.
What she helped you with, and has she helped you with any particular?
It gives you like confidence and all. So if you let a goal in, she'll give you confidence and boost you back up.
Well, I moved down here in 1980 from Sussex for a first teaching post in St Tyler's School. I played for Brighton Ladies and Sussex Ladies, but the nearest club here was Cardiff Ladies, which was too far to travel to. So I got involved with coaching here with Tenby in 1980.
What does it mean to you?
To me, it's my life, really. You know, I love football. I loved playing it when I was younger. You know, I was in a ladies' team when I was 11, which wouldn't be allowed these days. Obviously, I miss playing football, but the mind is still willing, but I'm afraid the body's weak.
She inspires you because she loves football, but then she gets you more into it. You're not in your comfort zone, and then she comes over and then helps you find it.
The girls I chatted to today said you were an inspiration. She said,
I don't know about that.
How does that make you feel?
Well, it's nice to hear that. You know, I just like to get the children involved and get them to play in the highest level that they can do.
So these guys come and help out on the soccer schools. So with Angie sort of running it, you guys come along, you're referees. And
Yeah.
Enjoyable way of spending half term, right?
Yeah. People coached us, so we give time back to them the same as what they did to us.
You know the whole club runs off volunteers.
Yeah.
And you're doing volunteering today, aren't you?
Yeah,
So,
because people did it for me when I was younger, so I thought I'd help some younger ones by doing it today.
ones that were refereeing, they were players of the older teams. So they're getting into volunteering already. Why is it important to be a volunteer?
Well, to me, I know it's a cliche, it's to give something back. You know, I had a lot of people helping me when I was younger.
Without volunteers, without you guys putting your 3 hours in, it just doesn't happen.
Yeah, definitely not. You know, there's a lot of good volunteers at the club, and we're getting stronger and stronger every year, so it's fantastic.
Seb, how's your day going? Have you scored many goals today?
Yeah, in the second round I scored 13 goals.
You scored how many goals?
13.
13 goals in the second round. Angie is behind us. How long have you known her? What's she like?
She's a really nice, fun coach, and she tries her best to let us have fun and train at the same time. She's a really good coach. She's just amazing overall. You can't ask for a better coach.
Well, it's half time. It's 1-0 to Penydarren. And probably just about deservedly so. Is that fair to say?
I would say so, yeah. Fast game, much faster than last week, played in Brecon last week. A lot faster pace, the boys more intense this week, much more up for it.
Yeah, because they're top of the table, the team you're playing against, so it's a big one for you to win.
Massive
you've got
one.
loads of games in hand,
Yeah,
right?
we're 12 points behind them. So every point is counting now. We could come away with a draw, but ideally we want 3 points. We need 3 points today.
Yeah,
Big 3 points.
It's all building up to obviously next weekend and that big game you've got.
Yeah.
You
Biggest in the
can't
history.
keep the smile off your
Yeah,
face.
no.
Right? It must be fantastic.
I'm running all the buses, running the coaches, so it's just collecting the money, get everyone in. Just people I've never heard of send me a message on Twitter. Can I have your bank details and get some money in? We want to come up with you. So yeah, bring it on. Score a banger next Sunday morning.
Nothing to lose though, right?
No, nothing at all. Nothing whatsoever. Young team, best team we've ever had for years. Frightening no one. The only people they frighten of is the gaffer, and he's not here today. So he's missing one of them today.
I've heard he's booked himself to Spain, hasn't he?
Yeah, he went last week and he's back today, so he's ready for Bangor next week.
He's got himself all prepared.
Yeah, he's ready for everything.
Do you reckon he's going to be over there just thinking of team line-outs, running it all through his mind?
I thought he would have been texting me. He's texting someone, that's a dead cert. He's sitting on a beach texting someone, whatever he is. But he's definitely texting someone, yeah.
Well, listen, we're talking about Aaron Ramsey in this, so I'm going to ask you, when you think of Aaron Ramsey, what do you think of? What's the first thing that sort of leaps into your mind?
Blonde hair and the Euros, absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Guy who was absolutely tremendous. Left foot, tremendous. That's all you can say about him.
Well, listen, we know you love Aaron Ramsey out there. There's a bit of love for Aaron Ramsey here. So this is our love letter to you, Aaron.
There's a young player in the Wales team called Aaron Ramsey.
If I say Aaron Ramsey to you in a Wales shirt, what's your sort of first thought?
We're asking fans to strip away their normal reserve. You're going to have to let go of your crusty North Walian granite-like exterior. Speak from the heart as a man, as a player, generally throughout his career.
Yeah.
What does Aaron Ramsey mean to you?
He's a decent player.
Oh, he's done fantastic for Wales.
but he's shown what a good player he is.
As a player, absolutely wonderful.
The best player for Wales in the Euros.
We have a couple of superstars now. Aaron Ramsey is certainly one of them.
Yeah, we think he's wasted in Arsenal. He should come to somewhere where Liverpool, where we would appreciate him a bit more.
Leave Arsenal, man. Leave Arsenal.
He's a waste of space in Arsenal, I think. I'm a Liverpool fan. I don't want him to play to Liverpool. He would be better off in Real Madrid with Gareth Bale, I think.
Go back to Cardiff would be nice.
My biggest thought, I wish he'd sort his hair out.
And I can't say much. I had just as bad.
It's embarrassing. We all went through an M&M phase.
On record, and I'm afraid to say I had a few rascal haircuts. So yeah, Aaron, you're okay.
Is there one moment that stands out for you in a Wales shirt that you think of when you think of Aaron?
No, I think more the Euros. No, I thought he was absolutely the best player for Wales.
Belgium, we went 3-1.
I like the penalty, the one in Serbia, the dink that he did. Oh, what's the proper name for it? Can't remember, but that penalty I think was brilliant.
I thought he bossed it. Absolutely bossed it.
The work rate that Aaron Ramsey put in them Euros, to have a good season with Arsenal, then go and take Wales to another level. He was my player of the tournament for Wales in there. So I wouldn't say one particular game, but I would say that the Euros last year for Aaron Ramsey.
What is your sort of first memories of Aaron?
As a young lad at Cardiff City, I can remember watching him a few times. I was still playing at the time, or just coming towards the end of my career, and there was the buzz around the city about this new lad coming up.
My man, my hero, my friend. Don't know him, but he's my friend.
He's such a good player, and I think he's such a team player as well. And to actually see him play, you could see what the buzz was all about. And obviously he went to Arsenal, unfortunately for Cardiff at the time.
My estimation of him's gone up now, and the fact that he's a Welsh speaker as well. We're both Welsh speakers, first language, and we relate to him a bit more because he's a Welsh speaker.
Well, if he was there at Portugal, it would have been a totally different matter.
And when Aaron Ramsey's missing, there's something missing for the team,
Dare I say it, I think we would have won the semi-finals if he was fit.
But he was absolutely devastated. I spoke to him after that, and I told him to keep his head up, because I was trying to get him to say you'll be fine for the final.
We weren't the same, and he was completely gutted.
I'm sure if Aaron would have been in playing that game, I'm sure it could have at least been a different result.
I found the chair. I found the founding member of Pen-y-Darren BGC. Just introduce yourself, sir.
My name is Clive Barcy. I'm the chairman of Penydarren Boys and Girls Club. I'm the groundsman and the fundraiser. I clean the toilets.
I think you've arrived in many people's consciousness this season with a tremendous cup run.
Yes.
Doing well in the league as well. Has this been a surprise for you? You've seen the development of the club, you've been there through it all, you've cleaned the toilets. What's the culmination of a lot of hard work?
Yeah, the club has got, as I said, 280 playing members from the age of 5 all the way up. I've also got 30 odd qualified coaches working with the kids, and no one gets a penny for anything. It's a 100% voluntary organisation.
What's the secret then? What's happened? What have you been doing that others aren't?
I think suddenly they're starting to click. This side come runners-up in this league last year. We scored more goals than anybody. We conceded more than the team that won it as well. We had the best goal difference. And it's the same back four that's playing today. I think they're maturing. And what I noticed with them is that when they play a side that's better than them and a higher level than them, they up their game, and that level then seems to stay. The young players, it's developed through the club.
Tim Williams, Spirit of 58, fashionista, raconteur, appreciator of foreign beers. Is there any no end to your talents, I feel?
Possibly not.
No, that's what I thought. We're standing here well, this is sort of standard fashion for Wales fans. I want you to take me through it. I want you to take me through the story of Spirit of 58.
When I first started watching Wales many years ago, you just look around you and the only thing that you can buy, which is available to the fans, was a replica shirt. And not all of us suit a replica shirt.
Some of us are built differently.
We're all built differently, and I thought, there's an opportunity there, sometimes for the bigger units, to branch out and items available to that type of fan. But no, it's a wide range. What I do now, I think there's about 40 odd products on the site, so it's not too bad for a one-man band. Started 8 years ago. My plan is to carry it through right to the 10-year anniversary. And we're here today, and we've got our first jacket collaboration, which I'm quite proud of, which is in Welsh red, and they're all individually numbered. But 8 years on, I never thought I'd be doing jackets, so we've come a long way.
From bucket hats and bobble hats?
Yeah, it's not just the bucket hats, which everybody thinks it's all about, and the bobble hats at this time of the year, which somebody told me on the news this morning that there's a cold snap ahead. So get your stocking up and get one ordered this weekend.
What do you mean when you see people walking around wearing your stuff?
It's quite a proud moment. They did at home in the Euros, the amount of the hats, the t-shirts over in France, but it's built up gradually over the last 8 years, so it's not a new phenomenon, but you walk into a bar and you can spot your first Welsh fan, and you can drum a conversation with somebody over Welsh football, so it's a way of identifying ourselves really.
We're in a classic, didn't play very well football in Wales, but we had to dig deep, and if you've got any ambitions of going up to the Welsh Prem, which we have, you've got to come to places like this and get the points on the board, which we did. Not a classic by all means, but I'm satisfied, well, more than satisfied with the result. So we'll go up to Bangor now, full of confidence again.
Yeah, disappointed. I think the boys have acquitted themselves well. Conceded a goal, I feel, against the run of play. And to be fair to Penydarren, they haven't taken any chances after that, defended well, but I think they've been in a game today and unlucky not to get anything in the end, really.
And that's it, the very first edition of FC Cymru. Hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it?
Oh, I loved it. And well done to Penydarren. They're on a real roll right now, aren't they?
They certainly are. A big cup semi-final for them against Bangor coming up. Good luck for that. Taking a load of people up north for it, and live on the telly box as well on S4C.
Yeah, it certainly is. And if you've watched the show today and you've thought, I want my club to be seen on that, then get in touch. Leave a comment below or get in touch via the social media details, which will all be along the bottom of the screen somewhere, hopefully.
Big thank you to Ynyshir Albion for hosting us today. Good luck with those guys for the rest of the season. But from us at the Oval in Ynyshir, ta-ra.